Hello and welcome to another video. So in this video I'm going to introduce you to another explorer, and this explorer, so XRPXplorer, this explorer has literally the name XRPlorer, so you can check it out on the website xrplorer.com. And it's basically a website, so they do some graphs and metrics for on-chain data, so you can see here how many payments have been, so this is only about payments, how many people have sent XRP from one account to another one. So you can see here, what else is there? You can do it by account probably. Or you can do it by, I would have to look at what these things are here. So probably accounts or something like that, so you can just assume here, but never mind. Alright, and they are, so let's quickly look at the About Us. So they are basically, they used to be called XRPForensics, so you can see here that they started as XRPForensics. This is basically a community to help prevent and combat fraudulent activity. So I don't know if you remember all these giveaway scams on YouTube. So there were YouTube live streams where you have to go to a website. There were some giveaway scams, send X amount of XRP to this address and you will get double back. And they basically offer services which also exchanges can integrate in order, for example, let's say somebody tries to send XRP to the giveaway scam over an exchange. Then the exchange can use the XRPForensics API and first check if that is a well-known scam account more or less. And then the exchange can intervene and block that and inform the user, yes, you're trying to give away XRP to a confirmed scam, so please think about that again. So something like that. So that's the service they're offering here. They're doing doing on-chain analysis. And now let's go to the interesting tools here. So as we know, it's XRPForensics, so this will be probably about money flow. So let's look at one of the accounts here. We can see here so there's on the recent payments, let's go to this account, to the HowTo. And what we have here is there's a button called load the chart, and with this chart you see the XRP flow. So right now it's all loading, so you can see here the account, alright, created, last modified, the regular key, and all the other information is stored there. But let's wait. Well, it seems to be bigger. Let's look at another one which loads faster maybe. So I'm going to also open that one here. So this one is faster. You can see here what the account did here. And let's load the chart here. And you can see here, for example, that this is simple. We've got that account here. So R, G, W, and R have sent XRP to that account. So you can see here 300 to that one. I'll just have to check if the order is correct here. So from the, from the top one, from the blue one to the bottom one here. And from that account, 300 XRP have been sent to that one here. So yeah, great. So here you can see it also with bigger accounts. So you can see here the account in the middle, CoinHeyco, and from CoinHeyco to CoinHeyco, you can see that here that they send 64.3 million XRP. So that account here, this account itself sent also got some XRP from Binance. When you hover there, you can see it as well. And this account itself has also sent again, so it's also from top to bottom basically. This one sent it to that one, this one sent it to the orange one, and then to which accounts did the orange one send XRP? You can see CoinHeyco sent, for example, 24.6 million XRP to Binance. Then again, some XRP was sent to Upbit, and that's basically all the pattern. So it's basically great on-chain data analysis. Now we can, for example, go at what did Binance do with the XRP. So we can see here, for example, CoinHeyco sent XRP to Binance, and let's see what Binance did with all the XRP it had, where it came from, and what did it do with it. So this is going to be probably a large chart, since Binance has lots of activity and many payments. But let's see what happens here. In the meantime, yes again, so yeah, it's basically, like I said, it's being run by XRPlorer, or formerly XRPForensics. Like I said, anti-money laundering tools, anti-fraudulence lists which they're keeping. They offer their own APIs for exchanges and other users to integrate into their APIs. So okay, yeah, probably this is going to be a little bit harder here. So yeah, this is probably too big here. That's why I can't show it, but I'm just going to click on, oh, it's a CC now. But never mind, but basically, yeah, that's basically the gist here. So you can load, yeah, for example, that one also looks cool. So you can see here, for example, this account got all its XRP from crypto.com, from this address. They've all sent it from Bitrue to this address here, so you can see all the sources and to which address did this account send all the XRP, and you can see it here, beautifully visualized. So this is perfect for your own on-chain data investigations, or or any other purposes you've got there. So you can just click on it again, and it can load the chart again, and again see what happened here. Alright, so let's quick look at the rest here, if there's anything else. So we can see the daily laundering, okay. So amount of XRP laundered, they came from accounts flagged in the advisory list on the same day. Past numbers are not updated, so you can see here how much XRP has been laundered. What else is there? We can see the daily transactions. So let's quickly go through the charge daily, how many accounts have been deleted on a daily basis. How many accounts are being activated per day. So you can see here, for example, today there have been 1.6k, so 1,600 accounts have been activated. How many ledgers have been closed so far? So this obviously okay, right, yeah. So this is going to be the same amount here then. So it's going to just take, we've got still another whatever 6 hours until probably this one, the day is over. So assuming that the day closes also there, like 2 AM GMT +1. Let's see. Daily average. Okay, we've got the daily average there. So also some more on-chain metrics and how many average transactions per ledger. Okay, right. So you can see here 38 transactions per closed ledger. Right, that's the average here. Right, is there anything else? So like I said, compliance toolbox, we can also look at that quickly. What else is there? Cool, they've got really cool, they've got other cool tools basically there, but they're not free, but they've got all other cool tools for mapping those and creating nodes there. So, but like I said, so with the free functionality we've got there, you can, like I said, see the XRP flows from and to. And you can also see, for example, which accounts have been recently activated on the left tab there. And okay, right, so you can also have got lots of filters again. So if we just again go with another account there and load the transactions, so we've got also a wide range. Oh, and also we've got also more tools there. Oh, cool. So I didn't even notice. So I'm gonna go back quickly. Let's go there. So I'm gonna load the XRPlorer again. But there are also apparently 3 more tabs there, which I didn't notice until just now. Is it Binance? No, I hope not. Oh, yes it is. Oh, yes it is. So this one didn't load before, so probably because they have too many payments there, but I'm just gonna again go to any other account. Maybe we'll find one to work. Alright, let's go to coins.ph. Let's see, so these ones do load, so let's quickly, okay, so again we can filter for a transaction, for the transaction type here. For example, when did the person, so did the account finish some escrows, for example. Right, then we have to wait again, because obviously it's a huge query, more or less, which is being sent to the backend. So that probably takes some time, or my internet is slow, it could be also a possibility there. Nope, it isn't. So yeah, it's just gonna take time. Okay, right. So I didn't find the account there. But we can also see the activations there, how many accounts were activated by that account. So what else is there? Let's look at the XRP balance development. So I would have to look at smaller accounts, because as we can see here, it takes way too long. So I'm gonna change now accounts. Maybe it's then faster. So I'm gonna do a quick refresh here. Okay, nope, not that one here. See, from coins.ph, I'm just gonna look for another account there, which is not maybe an exchange, just some personal, or a small account. Well, let's quickly look at Bitstamp there. Cool, but always Bitstamp is also a large exchange. Or Nexo sounds good. I hope they don't have too many transactions. Alright, so you can see here which accounts Nexo has created there. Let's go to another account of Nexo. I'm going to refresh, so the loading, so that one, yeah, great. So you can see the chart there again. Let's look at the other tools here. The balance development, so you can see here outgoing and incoming transactions, so you can see here the development. What else? We can look at the account activity. What happened here? So account activity, probably average number of sent payments. Yeah, it's sent payments basically. Transaction breakdown test. Okay, right. So if they were successful or not. type result and further data. Okay, yeah. So test success is basically the result that the payment was successful. Alright, so I hope now, and again, you can see, for example, filter for incoming transactions here, for outgoing ones, then by transaction type, for example, if you only want, for example, I know, like I said, payments, or maybe a signer list. No, for example, didn't create escrows. Maybe they did an account set also not, so like I said, so you can filter by that, and also filter by date. Alright, so I hope we introduced all the functionality there is for free personal usage. So alright, then thanks for watching and see you in the next one.